Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we are making progress on our ITGC journey, I got a couple of requests and questions related to new user testing. So I decided to cover it in a separate video today, as many of you will have these questions and it is important to understand these concepts for any risk, security, compliance or audit assessment. And for your ease, I've noted both the questions which are very interesting in nature on the board here. So we'll go one by one on these questions. Before I dive into the questions, I'll just say that please watch the new user testing videos across all the key layers, application servers and databases, just to make sure that you have a strong foundation before you come and visit these questions and this specific video.